Episode 2. So on this episode, we're going to take the deck off. We're going to go through all the little nickel and dime things on here, check out the gas tank, check out the oil, probably put some new oil in it, check out the spark plug, all those little things. And we're going to see if we can get it to the point of firing. But if not, that's going to be for episode 3. So we'll see. It's just going to be a kind of a race against time today. All right, hopefully this falls into it. Let's see. Sweet. All right. It's got oil. Oh, beautiful. You know, I don't really think that oil was too bad. I mean, it's thick black, but let's give it a little air. The way it'll drain faster. Nice bubbling brew. All right, here. While that's draining, let's check the spark plug. There's what we're working with, our spark plug. It's pretty cruddy. Hands are shaking, it's pretty cold out here. But I'm just gonna try to clean this up before I go buy a new one. Hey, we're just gonna try to get this sucker firing with this one. From Walmart special. Oh man, it's nasty up in there. Oh, I'm almost out. I'm gonna go get us some little bit of sandpaper. I think there's still a little life in it. I think that may do. We'll give it a shot, see if this will do us. All right, let's give the lawnmower one final lift on this side and see if it'll pour out any more of that nasty oil. I got some old leftover 0W20 full synthetic. I'm sure that'll work. Yeah. Now the gas tank is pretty atrocious. It's got spider webs and leaves and whatever else kind of gunk in it that has decided to make its home in the gas tank. So I'm gonna hit it with a leaf blower first. Matter of fact, I'm gonna give this an all-around leaf blowing. Golly, I think that'll do it with the leaf blowing for now. Oh shoot. All right, let's keep checking out and see what the next step is. One important thing, the air filter. Gosh. Okay, ain't too bad. It's not too bad. Definitely gotta hit that with a leaf blower. Just like brand new. Honestly, while I'm at it, I couldn't be bothered to drive to Walmart down the road and just get a new fuel filter, but looking at this, it may be okay enough. And then we'll buy a new fancy fuel filter if it, you know, turns over and runs actually. So we'll treat it nicely with a brand new fuel filter. But for now, oh man, there's like dirt dauber stuff in here around the carburetor. I don't know, we're just gonna kind of cross our fingers with it and see if it starts as far as the carburetor and any potential junk or any of the jets or whatever being clogged up. We'll see how that does. Hey, the big win of the day is I actually had some gas in here. All right, God, I hate these new style safety things. They're just worse. I gotta bypass these. Well, shouldn't say that, I guess. All right, come on, juice up, get a drink. But I definitely don't want to fill it all the dang way up. And besides, I still don't have a gas cap. I don't know. I mean, I may somewhere around here, but I'm not sure where the heck it is. So next thing I need to do is get an old battery that I have right here, just chilling here. The old Never Start. I don't need it to hold a charge. I just need it to run some wires to. Make a circuit and ground and yada yada. Okay, let's see here. Positive wire is longer. It's deader than a doornail could ever be, which is fine. You know, so far I'm looking at it and it's looking pretty put together. It's pretty glorious. I mean, the engine does turn over. It's got a spark plug. It's cleaned. It's got some fresh gas. I'm gonna bypass all the factory wiring and sensors. I've got to take the deck off. All right, finally. Good grief. All right, so this is like the deck engagement cable. Don't need that, so we're gonna snip. Yay! Snippers look all right. There we go. All right. Move all this stuff out of the way. Here, give me a hand real quick. Let's pull this out. Yeah. Woo! Anybody need a new deck or used deck? Mint condition. Yeah, that's mint. Look at that heavy duty 12 gauge deck. All right, look at this sucker. Oh man, look at all that ground clearance. Sheesh. Oh, look at my oh yeah, baby. That's a win. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's actually try to test the fuel flow. Pretty sure it's got gas in it. Well, son of a gun, folks, I went to pull out this fuel filter to try to test the gas flow, and the plastic tip on that end broke off. This just pulled out. Oh no, the tip on the little fuel selector is off. That sucks. The gas isn't even pouring, even though it's got gas in it. And it's dripping, but anyways, something else fun to fix. You gotta halfway expect that kind of stuff too. It dry rotted fuel lines, plastic, all that crap. I mean, a fuel filter is like a few bucks anyways. All right, folks, so we got the deck off for now. That's great. Got a lot of clearance for all that mudding and hill climbing we're gonna do. We got the gas tank basically cleaned out. It looked pretty damn clean. Also, we'll run some fresh gas through it when I get some new fuel line and a fuel filter. We got the old busted battery in there, which all we need that is just to complete the starter loop, because I'm gonna hook it up to jumper cables. And we got some fresh oil. The oil that was in it wasn't that bad, just really black. It's been sitting for a long time. And we gave the air filter a little bit of a cleaning, and we checked the spark plug and gave it a cleaning, so that surely will work. I mean, again, I guess I'll buy a new one when I go to Walmart or Amazon, new parts, these little nickel and dime parts for it, so that's to be expected. I should have already had it, but I thought maybe I could salvage these. You can't always. And now, like magic, I'm gonna time travel into the future. Just got back from Walmart. Now I'm losing daylight today. Got me some new Walmart special gloves, Walmart special carburetor cleaner, Walmart special motor treatment, Walmart special brake cleaner, toggle switch. If I've already got one, but I'm afraid I might have lost it. Just some wire, straight normal wire, and the most pitiful looking fuel filter. That was the only one that they had at Walmart, so we'll see if it'll work. All right. Fuel filter broke, fuel selector switch broke, fuel lines are pretty busted. There's no fuel going through the fuel line, but we did get a lot of stuff done today with it. This is episode 2. Episode 3, we're gonna get it fired up though. I've got all of those new parts coming in along with a new carburetor from Amazon, and all of that was like 40 bucks, so wasn't bad at all. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Remember, if you got a wrench, you got a garage.